Hi there, traveler. What's up? Thinking of heading to Brazil from the US, Australia, or Canada? Amazing choice. Beaches, samba, waterfalls, acai bowls bigger than your face. What's not to love? But before you start practicing your obrigada and packing that bikini, let me teach you how to apply for the Brazil e-visa. A step-by-step tutorial so you can do everything by yourself. Let's dive in. Alright, let's get serious. First, who needs a visa to travel to Brazil? Citizens traveling with passports from Australia, Canada, and the United States. But don't worry, it's not as bad as it sounds. You can apply online for an e-visa. No embassy visits or endless paperwork required. Easy peasy. To get your e-visa, you need a valid passport, valid up to the end of the travel to Brazil, two visa pages free, a passport style photo, no filters, sorry Instagrammers, online application form completed, proof of round trip or onward travel, showing entry into and exit from Brazil, proof of accommodation like a hotel or Airbnb reservation, e-visa fee payment. The fee is $80.90. Now let me show you the application form. Begin your application by visiting the official Brazilian e-visa website.
So this platform is managed by VFS Global, the authorized service provider for Brazil's e-visa applications. To start the process, you have to sign up first. The first step will be to fill in some details about your trip, like your passport number, your nationality, the visa type that you need, the purpose of your travel, your date of birth. This step is very easy, but pay attention.
Feeling a little overwhelmed by all of this? I get it. Planning international travel isn't always as fun as sipping coconut water on Copacabana Beach. So if you require personalized assistance with your e-visa application or itinerary planning, my travel consultant service are here to help you. I'm an expert in creating memorable Brazilian adventures tailor-made to your preference and budget. Feel free to send me a message on WhatsApp. Let's talk a little bit about your plans to Brazil and also I will tell you my fees.
The next page is going to be about your documents. You have to upload a picture of a valid passport, the passport style photo, your flights entering and exiting Brazil, and proof of accommodation. Before starting the application, make sure to have all these documents. The next page is about your passport details. Keep going, you are almost there. The step 4 is about your travel details. This part they want to know your estimated arrival date, your planned period of stay, your final scheduled date of stay. Next step is about your address details. So just put your address, like your country, city, your zip code. Step number 6 is regarding additional details, but you only need to fill in the boxes with the star. And the final step is regarding payment. The visa fees, service fees, and applicable taxes, once paid, are non refundable in any event whatsoever. So please ensure you have checked all the details.
The standard processing time for e-visa application is between 2 to 5 business days. Once approved, your e-visa will be sent to you by email in a PDF format. And now a few hot tips from your favorite Brazilian travel planner. Don't wait till the last minute. Apply at least a month before your trip to accommodate any unforeseen delays. Double check all your documents before submitting. Even one wrong letter in your name and boom, you're back to square one. Print out a copy of your visa and have it saved on your phone. Yes, you should have a digital and a printed copy. Trust me, airport Wi-Fi is not your friend. Oh, and if you want to buy a SIM card to have mobile data, I will leave on the description a good and affordable suggestion for you plus a discount coupon. Upon arrival, be prepared to present the following to the immigration authorities. Valid passport, the same passport used during your e-visa application. Printed e-visa, proof of financial means, return or one-word ticket. It's like a proof that you're planning to leave Brazil. So, if Brazil is calling your name, don't let the paperwork stop you. Make sure your passport is ready, get that visa, and let's make your tropical dream happen. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and drop your Brazil questions in the comments. Or better yet, reach out and let us plan your trip. Oh, and now you can watch this video about things you need to know before traveling to Brazil. See ya!